Woke up to a cold, dreary day in Budapest. I'm needing a coffee fix now. Let's go, Joe. Let's go find a hot cup of coffee and a cornetto.
Sounds good to me. We sold everything.
Traded the familiar for the adventure of a lifetime.
We're Joe and Diana.
This is the Sicily adventure.
Follow along as we explore hidden gem towns, share how we made the big move, and discover La Dolce Vita.
And yeah, we explore beyond Sicily too.
So subscribe and join our adventure. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This morning's one of our morning walks in Budapest, Hungary. We're on our way to see if we can find a good coffee or maybe Cornetto. It's a place right around from us. We're going to try. This is walking from our B&B.
Yeah, the town is real walkable. As you can see, these streets are really nice. They're flat, the sidewalks are even. And you can also see that it's raining.
Yeah, we was there in the end of January, 1st of February. It was pretty cool and rainy every day.
I was glad I took my long coat. The buildings are so cool in this town. Every time you turn a corner, it's something cool to look at.
Yeah, I love the architecture of Budapest. It's a really nice town.
Yeah, it's our first time to be here. Really enjoying it. So here, guys, is Váci Street. It's a pedestrian street. It's closed off to cars. It's got shops, touristy kind of shops, restaurants. And over here to the right is Cafe Frey, and this is where we're going to get a coffee.
Alright guys, so you can kind of see what they got here for breakfast, and cornettos, different cakes, and pastries and sweets, and I think they even had some sandwiches to go.
But they're really well known for their coffees, like 70 varieties. But you know what? We're kind of like plain Janes. We like espresso and a cafe macchiato. So we were kind of overwhelmed at the menu.
Yeah, the coffee scene in Budapest is getting kind of big. They're getting a lot of the gourmet coffee shops, you know, like Starbucks and.
Yeah. So when I ordered, and of course she didn't speak much English, and I tried to say I want a cafe macchiato, she said, I'll make you something, basically. And I think might end up being like a double cortado. It was a hot coffee in a tall glass. Not what I was expecting, but it was good.
Yeah, the espresso was good. So one thing we did notice in Budapest was that the servers or waiters, people that you dealt with, was not overly friendly. They wasn't really rude, but
a lot of that's probably the language barrier.
Maybe. Of course, they spoke good English there in Budapest, most of them, but it's just different from what we found in southern Italy or countries in the Mediterranean, you know, where we have been. Everyone's overly friendly. And so let us know in the comments that have you noticed that? Is that a Eastern Bloc country characteristic? So let us know your experience if that's something you've noticed.
So cost for breakfast today was about $11, $12. I mean, we expected to pay more in Budapest.
Yeah, so it was like 3,500 Hungarian forty,
Yeah, whatever.
whatever their money is. So
And you know, you're paying because you've got this great location. And you've got this window to sit here and watch pedestrians walking by. And it's, you know, just part of the experience.
yeah, it's a really cool place. It'd probably be even nicer in the summer tourist season.
Yeah.
Sit there and have a coffee or breakfast, whatever, and
We're people watchers.
yeah. We had a nice big screen there to people watch. Unfortunately, there wasn't a whole lot of people.
A couple of birds out there.
Yeah. So if you're in Budapest, Hungary, make sure you check it out. Cafe Frey. It's a nice place.
And I think there's also one in the airport.
Yeah.
Did you see that dog just run by?
So thanks for coming along, guys. That was our morning walk and breakfast in Budapest. See a little bit of the streets and culture and what it's like there.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys.
Ciao.